What's up guys, today I made my friend touch my piano. You guys probably remember him from the wheezing videos. I made him wheeze like almost 100 times and it's hilarious. What you guys are hearing is us sitting in the lobby on Black Ops 2 and then we eventually join and get some reactions with my new voice changer voices that I use in this video. And it was kind of boring just watching us sit in the lobby, so I put World War II gameplay over the Black Ops 2 lobbies. And leave a like if you guys enjoy this because I really loved making this video. This was so much fun. If you want, you can tell me how many times he actually wheezed in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll upload again on Tuesday and Thursday. I got some awesome videos coming for you guys, so make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Change your gamer tag to motherfucker who said I had Easter jelly beans.
Motherfucker who said I had Easter jelly beans?
Motherfucker who said I had Easter jelly beans?
You should try to like sing a song and then just keep changing the pitch up and down.
Alright,
Oh, that's my shit. All the girls something for you like this.
Oh shit.
you guys ever heard fucking like Logic? The guys in the background like,
Oh, yeah, like that, like.
My chain, don't you like my chain, my chain.
Oh, you can do the Kendrick Lamar song. Sit down, drink. Stand up, drink.
hang on.
Pull up,
Drink,
headshot,
drink,
You're doing it.
sit down,
drink,
stand up,
drink,
pass out,
drink,
wake up.
drink.
Hello, thank you for calling AT&T customer support. What can I do for you? Sir, I can't help you with your raise. Sir, I will not touch your piano, I can only touch your modem. Sir, I have a secret to tell you. To make a long fucking story short, I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
To make a long fucking story short, I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Like, dude, I'm just trying to get my fucking internet fixed. Why are you telling me this?
Right.
Hey, what does this sound like? I'm kind of turning it. I'm kind of like changing the parameters.
Oh,
of it.
dude.
What does it sound
That
like?
sounds like a dubstep song. Dude, that was sick. It was like, ow. Dude, that's lit. Dude, listen to that in a voice message. Listen to that shit. That's fire.
Wait, what do you hear right now? Wind?
Huh?
That sounds like wind.
Oh, okay, it's just my fan. He's a fan of my videos. He watches. I just keep him in my corner of my room. Alright, what's that?
Funny as shit, dude.
Yo, apparently I sound weird, but you little queer. I don't give
Ooh,
a fucking
damn,
shit.
dude,
Bitch, I'll
that's
whip you in the ear.
Yo.
Yeah.
That's so fire, dude.
Yo, I feel like fucking shooting my grandma with a fucking ray gun.
Whoa. Dude, that was actually pretty lit, dude. Not gonna lie. Try to make gun sounds just be like pew, 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 and listen to that shit.
Pew, pew.
Why are you?
I have 24 different settings on this fucking thing, so here, let me do this one.
Yo guys, I just got a new mic. You guys like it?
What the fuck?
Oh my god, what the fuck?
What's going on, guys?
Are you half white kid, half AK?
Fuck yeah, dude. Hold on, I'm gonna motorboat your mom real quick.
Bro, I'm fucking tripping balls right now, bro.
Oh, what the hell, dude?
I took too many shrooms, bro.
Dude, that was so hot, dude. You sound... Stop talking.
Fuck you, bro. I keep talking.
What do you
fucking
say?
sound like you're lagging. I just got this
so
bitch
weird.
bitches, bro.
It's so weird, dude.
They're on sale for $3.49 at Walmart, bro.
Oh, do the Halo theme song. Do the Halo theme song. Oh, yeah. Yes, that's so perfect, dude. That's so
He does
Yes.
perfect.
They call me speech jam. Got a speech, man. I don't give a shit about your ass jam.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I rap because I fucking gay and I all day in my ass like I say,
That's great.
Yeah,
you
it's like
actually
perfect,
sound
like,
like you're on some
connection
McDonald's
interruption.
Wi-Fi, dude.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit you my bitch.
Yo,
You like that shit?
you're the definition of a Windows error, dude. You go to voice. What was that? Oh my god.
You like that shit though, don't you?
You like that shit. Don't you? Stop laughing, dude.
Bro, it's hard.
Yo,
Dude, that sounds legit like you have a Connect.
you just hear fucking Call of Duty gameplay in their background, just blasting it on their fucking 50-inch old TV, just like.
Hold up, what's happening?
What the hell?
Sounds like a walkie-talkie.
It sounds like a very, very
Yeah, do it.
shitty walkie-talkie, dude.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Oh, yo! It
No
sounds
way,
just like the
dude.
Black Ops 1 version.
No, wait, hold on.
Enemy spy plane above.
Enemy spotted.
Counter-terrorist win!
Yo, he did it perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Lightning strike ready for deployment.
Dude, that's good.
Yo, yeah, that's perfect.
Why does it
Man.
sound like I'm listening to you on an AM radio station?
Hello, good morning to everybody. Thank you for tuning in.
You do the weather, do the weather, do the weather.
You're listening to 101.9 WJOL. Today's forecast is looking...
Dude, that's so good. Oh my god,
Oh
dude.
no, dude. You're gonna make me cry. Please stop.
Do the radio station.
You're listening to 103.2 The Mist.
Dude, yes.
You know how they'll go like over? You should say that after you're done.
Enemy UAV inbound.
Dude, every time someone
Yo.
tries to talk to you in a game and they're like, oh my god, best in class, you should be like, shut up, faggot. Over.
I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my over. Few times been around that jet since up to school on the field like that. Over.
Just wanna let the other team know they're all gay.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking faggot. Over.
Yo, do a Kermit voice. Do a Kermit voice.
Hey, this is Kermit the Frog. You got a UAV inbound. Over.
Yes, dude. Yes. Yes. Oh shit, dude, that's great.
UAV ready for deployment. Just kidding, faggot. You can't even get a 3-kill streak. Over.
At least give me time to go running.
Did you get that fucking Connect mic for Christmas, faggot? Over.
What? Dude, I hate when you have an Asian announcer who's like, Koye, Koye!
And then you got fucking Ice Cube. Enemy UAV spotted.
Oh my god,
Yes, dude.
Enemy spy plane above.
The things I miss about Call of Duty Ghosts is the Snoop Dogg announcer, dude.
We lost the lead, you mark-ass trick.
I remember that, dude. Dude, that was so great. Holy shit, bro.
Dude, she's gonna be like, yeah, she's gonna be like, round lost? Are you fucking kidding me?
You sound like a triggered feminist, dude.
Enemy spotted.
Stop. You should tell people they want a free PS4, they just have to give you their bank account information, their social.
Congratulations, you won a free PS4.
Yes, dude.
Round lost. We almost got this. Push forward.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Over.
Shut up, dude.